Hi, Faye. This is Nick from G3 Agency. I spoke with you this morning. This is your complimentary website audit. We're going to look at your site over a few minutes and also look at the competition and where you fall for common search words. So if someone's sitting in Scottsdale or Phoenix and is looking for a kitchen remodel or a bath remodel, you know, where do you fall in the rank? How do you get to that person sooner? So looking at your site here, one of the things I'm going to tell you is you want to put your phone number right on the very top. A lot of people are looking on mobile devices at your site. You want to have a very easy click to call so they could just click it and call. Also, the images that you have here, if we do save as, Google reads those images. So you want those saved as keywords, right? So this might be kitchen remodel, Phoenix, Arizona. Same thing with all these down here. Bathroom remodeling, I would call this maybe bathroom remodel granite or whatever it happens to be. Okay. Content is key. You want to have about 2,000 words on this homepage and about 1,000 words on all your other pages. Google loves content. Now, I know you're working with someone here at the bottom, but a few things that we're talking about here are more SEO or search engine optimization, not really the look of the site, but the feel of the site and really, I think, the optimization of it. So I would put the phone number definitely here at the top. Now, let's look a little bit here. If I were to do a Google search and click kitchen and bath remodeling in Gilbert, the reason I chose that is because I believe on your site you had some of those words. Here we go, kitchen bath remodeling in Gilbert. So to show you kind of what I'm looking at, we have a tool and it shows where your site falls for certain keywords, right? So this popular word here, kitchen and bath remodeling in Gilbert, like you have down here, you're not in the top 100, so you're missing out on people typing that in or typing in kitchen and bath remodeling while they're in Gilbert or Mesa or Tempe. You could definitely optimize the site yourself. I'm happy to help so that you're getting that traffic and you're closing those remodeling deals. So let's see what's here. We've got up here, this is called the map pack, and there's something called citations. It's your name, address, and phone in different directories. Very simple to do, but about 20% of clicks comes from these right here, okay? And let's look at something. These are called citations. The more citations you have, the easier it is to get to the map pack. So you've got 15 this morning, and the 3 that are in the map pack have a little bit more. So this is something definitely that you want to do, okay? You add citations to the Google My Business listing. Now that we've gone here, take a look at some of these guys down here. These are the ones that are coming up on the first page. Typically, between the first page and the map pack, it's about 80% of the click-throughs. So you definitely want to get here. Let's see what their site looks like. So this is Stradlings. Stradlings, as you remember, pulled up in the map pack here, and then also in the organic. So let's see what they're doing. I mean, the site is no better looking than yours. They've got the phone number that I can call. You know, looking at their images, same type of thing, rather generic. So you naming your images as keywords would be better. But let's look at this. This is a product called Ahrefs. It's about $600 a month. What it shows me, Faye, in almost real time is how your site's performing, okay? And besides content that we talked about, citations, we want to talk about backlinks and keywords. Backlinks are simply links from credible sites back to yours, usually in the same niche. It gives your site credibility. Now, typically 240 backlinks should be coming from about 200 domains. So you've got only about 15 domains here and 22 organic keywords. So the traffic you're getting is about 22 people a month to your site. And you know, you've got pretty decent on some of your keywords, but even here, A1 repairs, you're in the 7th position, up 29, so you've done something, and you're getting about 11 traffic. But what we want to look at is stuff like this, right? Kitchen remodeling, Gilbert, Arizona. You're at 67. Flooring in Gilbert, Gilbert Kitchens. It's 200 searches a month. You're at 95. Okay? So these are the keywords we want to pick out to incorporate into your content, to name your images after, with solid backlinks and citations so that you'll rank for these keywords. Let's look at Stradlings. They're looking at about 53 traffic off 273 keywords. And you can take some of their keywords. Now, a lot of theirs, as you can tell, are named after themselves. But look at this one, kitchen remodeling, Gilbert, Arizona. They're in the 7th position, right? Continue to look down. And what we really want is we want services or solutions like a kitchen or a bathroom model along with the location. So kitchen remodeling, Gilbert, bathroom remodeling, Scottsdale, etc. So again, I'm going to end with a slide right here. And really what you want to focus on is content. Again, 2,000 words on your homepage, at least 1,000 words on your other pages. Where you've got some images and stuff, you can click those and open up new pages for additional content. Implementing backlinks. You definitely need some backlinks there and high volume keywords. So we would want to find out what keywords through that tool Ahrefs are most searched, right? And how can we rank those keywords for you through content, etc., such as kitchen remodeling in Phoenix. And then lastly, more citations. Very easy to do. I think you're about halfway there. If you were to get into that map pack through an optimized Google My Business, that's a listing and citations, you would definitely pick up more traffic as well. So thank you very much, Faye. I appreciate it. I'm happy to help. If there's anything I can do, just name it. Feel free to call me. 541-420-8430. Thanks, Faye. Thanks for letting me send this to you. Bye-bye.